Are you looking for the best portable standing desks? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best standing desks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Vivo 32-inch Mobile Pneumatic Standing Desk. Our top choice is first on our list, the Vivo 32-inch Pneumatic Standing Desk. It's small, mobile, portable, reliable, and affordable. We like this model so much that we even featured it in our list of the best pneumatic standing desks. First of all, the desktop on this Vivo desk is suited ideally for laptops measuring only 32 inches long and 23.6 inches wide. It's made from a single piece of water and scratch-resistant particle board. An easy-to-use hand lever allows you to regulate the height between 30.9 and 46.9 inches high. Secondly, this desk is effortless to move. It's lightweight, only weighing 22 pounds, and has 4 lockable wheels. What's even better is that if you do assemble this desk, it can fit inside your luggage case when traveling, so it's highly portable. The only major downside is the structure and weight capacity. With a lightweight steel frame, it can only handle 22 pounds at the max, meaning it's only suitable for laptops or single-monitor setups. Apart from being affordable, Vivo offers a generous 3-year manufacturer's warranty on every purchase. All things considered, this Vivo model is a fantastic option for a portable standing desk. It's compact, mobile, affordable, reliable, and has an extended warranty. At number 2. ApexDesk Mobile Pneumatic Laptop Rolling Desk 28. It's time to discuss our premium pick for the best portable standing desks, the ApexDesk 28-inch Mobile Pneumatic Standing Desk. Made by a brand known for its durability and style, it offers a lot. This ApexDesk model is the smallest one the brand offers, with the desktop measuring 28 inches long and 20 inches wide. It's made out of laminated MDF and finished in an all-black style. You can adjust the desk's height to anywhere between 33.5 and 45.5 inches with the assistance of compressed air, just like office chairs. Most importantly, this portable standing desk is lightweight and has 4 wheels, making it easy to move by a single person. It's highly versatile and perfect for many environments, including home, medical, educational, etc. When it comes to structuring, the desk's frame is made from steel and aluminum, and has a maximum lifting capacity of 30 pounds. The static weight capacity is much higher at 180 pounds. ApexDesk backs all their pneumatic standing desks with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Conclusively, this ApexDesk pneumatic portable standing desk is stylish, built to last, and easy to use. The only downside is the premium price. At number 3. FlexiSpot Laptop Standing Desk Converter. Fourth on our best portable standing desks list is an alternative, the FlexiSpot Laptop Standing Desk Converter. Standing desk converters are basically smaller foldable desks that can be placed on top of ordinary, sitting, office desks to create a standing desk. They are ideal for people who already have a regular office desk or a table. This FlexiSpot model is ideal for laptops and single monitors. It has a compact work surface measuring 28.8 inches long and 19.9 inches wide. The whole desk can be folded flat and only weighs 18 pounds to enable easy transportation. Users can adjust the height of the converter between 2 and 16 inches. The frame of this standing desk converter is made from robust steel, which enables a maximum lifting capacity of 26.4 pounds. As mentioned before, it can handle only a single laptop or monitor setup, nothing too heavy. What really makes this model stand out is the 5-year-long manufacturer's warranty. All in all, this FlexiSpot converter is an excellent way to create a standing desk wherever you are. It's easily portable, affordable, and has a long manufacturer's warranty. Read our best standing desk converters guide to find more similar converters and learn more about standing desk converters in general. At number 4. SIDUCAL Mobile Adjustable Stand-Up Desk. Fifth on our list is one for the prudent buyers, our budget choice, the SIDUCAL Mobile Standing Desk. It offers incredible value for money and is easy to transport. Firstly, the work surface of this model is made up of two pieces of high-quality MDF, both combined measuring 23.6 inches long by 23.6 wide. One of the tabletops can be tilted, which is ideal for laptops. Finished in a trendy wood design, it goes well with modern home decor. The desk's height can be adjusted between 27.5 and 45.3 inches high using the lift and lock manual mechanism. Thanks to 4 lockable casters, the desk is easy to move, just like a shopping cart. It's also lightweight, weighing only 25.3 pounds, making mobility even more straightforward. Made from industrial-grade steel, the standing desk's frame has a maximum weight capacity of 40 pounds. That means it can handle single and dual monitor setups. In summary, this SIDUCAL standing desk is an affordable, multifunctional, and easy-to-move option, definitely one to consider. At number 5. Fezibo 48-inch electric standing desk. Last on our list of the best portable standing desks is the Fezibo electric standing desk. It is much larger than all of our previous picks, however, it's still effortless to move with the help of 4 wheels. First of all, this standing desk offers a spacious work surface available in 4 unique styles, including espresso and white. It is large enough for dual monitor setups measuring 48 inches long and 24 inches wide. Users can adjust the desk height by using controller buttons with the help of an electric lifting motor. The height can be set to anywhere between 27 and 48 inches high, and favorite heights can be saved to 3 memory height presets. A robust steel frame enables this desk to have a maximum lifting capacity of 154 pounds. Therefore, it's suitable for heavy hardware setups. A significant advantage of buying this desk is the 5-year manufacturer's warranty that Fezibo offers on all their standing desks. Additional features include 2 desk hooks for hanging clothing and equipment, as well as a cable management tray to keep your workspace organized. All things considered, this Fezibo model is ideal for those looking for a portable electric standing desk with a spacious modern worktop, robust structure, and an excellent warrant. Read our best standing desk guide if you are interested in more similar electric standing desks.